morning, everybody. It is early. It is sadly the end of this Navigator of the Sea series. It is 7 o'clock. We are going to be disembarkation the Navigator of the Seas and heading back home. So with that said, let's get off the boat. Well, alright everyone, that is it for the Navigator of the Seas series. It took about us like 4 hours to get from the port of Miami back to our home here in Orlando, Florida. Now, I did say this as advanced. Walking off the ship was super fast again. The new terminal in Miami is one of the best out there. I do hope this is a trend of the new ports coming the way. So if you're going to go to Port Canaveral, hopefully the new Carnival terminal features this new kind of facial recognition technology. Literally, customs was the fastest I've ever been to customs. Literally, customs took us 10 seconds. Like, no joke, literally 10 seconds. You literally walked up to the scanner, then it's the facial recognition scanner, you look straight at it, and then it basically just says you're green to go, or if you're red, you have to go to the agent, which are usually like, there's a few agents standing around there, so you can get you literally through and back in the country in literally less than a minute if you have a hiccup too. Now, we did park in the terminal of Miami, so basically we just took the elevators up to the car and headed back home. Hey, but that is it, guys, again, for the Navigator of the Seas cruise vlog series. But coming up next week, I believe, is going to be the recap. So this is basically where I'm going to go over our accommodations, going over what we did on the ship, what I like about the ship, what I didn't like, and more. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that video. But until then, I'm going to see you guys later for another video. Take care, everyone.